Hello and welcome to this introductory video series for the F1 Smart IoT module from SG Wireless. My name is Christian, and in this video I will show you how to quickly connect your F1 starter kit to our cloud. The F1 Smart module is the continuation of Smart IoT technology pioneered by PyCom. With the F1, we have bundled all connectivity options used in modern IoT solutions into a single OEM module that can be easily SMT mounted into your product PCB. We support Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa RAW and LoRaWAN on both 868 and 915 MHz, as well as LTE, Cat-M1 and NB-IoT. This allows for the F1 to be used globally. The starter kit box includes everything required to get you started with this exciting new module. It comes with the starter kit main PCB, which provides a programming and debugging interface to the F1 Smart module, onboard Wi-Fi, BLE and LTE antennas, battery charging and coulomb counter, Arduino headers to easily connect third-party sensors and other hardware, as well as an RGB LED and USB on-the-go connector. In the box with the starter kit, you will find the USB-C cable to connect the starter kit to your computer, a LoRaWAN antenna, as well as a CAP-T sensor that transmits temperature and humidity over BLE and is powered with a single coin cell battery. This particular kit has been configured to try LoRaWAN through the Things network first for zero-touch provisioning and fall back to LTM if it can be reached by a nearby gateway. The one SIM card bundled with the starter kit offers 500 megabytes of connectivity for free and can be topped up if required. To start with the zero-touch provisioning process, please first check the welcome email that you have received from SG Wireless as part of the ordering process. The first thing to do is to finalize access to the control platform by setting a password. You can now power up your device so it can complete the cloud registration process.